I hear the thunder. I hear the thunder coming. There's a clapping. Clap the clouds like that. Well, I like this one right here. It's a beautiful right here. I got this thing right here. And something better than that. It feels like a pretty one. This thing is. I could give to this. It is. And now we're going to show this the time. We're going to show what we're going to do about it. About this 20 minutes. 65 on midday every 20 minutes. I hope the rest of you can come in a minute. About 20 more minutes, I think. Hope he's coming about the drive pull replacement. And that'll be it for that. Peace out. Peace.